Hello everyone, buenos dias, and welcome to Rafael Cooking Style. Thank you for being back here in the channel. As you may see, we are gonna work with some coconut, and we are gonna just bake some coconut waffles. Very easy and tasty to prepare. So we're gonna start with 600 milliliters of coconut milk. Then we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. In my case, it's just like a paste because of the temperature still cold in Germany. So, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Yeah, that's our sweetness we are using. So apart from that, we're gonna add 3 tablespoons coconut, grated coconut. Yeah. Then we're gonna add 2 eggs. We are also 1 teaspoon baking powder, and we are gonna add 20 tablespoons of flour. I added in 2 rounds. I add 15 at the first time, and then I check, and then I add another 5 tablespoons of flour. Just like that, just blend it, mix it, and just bake it. Just top it with your favorite toppings and enjoy it. Yeah, if you are so far to here, why don't you subscribe to the channel, which is for free? Leave the thumb up. It does help us, the content creator. That's the algorithm, just improve our performance. So as I told you, I add a little more of flour, just 5 tablespoons, which make the 20 I just told you. And just like that, yeah, and separate the mix into, yeah, just like that. I separate the mix into different containers because I left 2 of them for my little one for a kindergarten. So just like that, easy waffle, preheated, little bit of fat if you want to, if it needed, but usually it doesn't now. Just enjoy the channel. There is a bunch of videos you may like, you have ideas to prepare at home. So everyone, enjoy the journey. I wish you a nice day, and thank you very much for watching us. Take care. Bye.